to show you how to recover deleted files, format hard drives, and create partition of hard drive. The link of the software is in description given below. Now I am going to show you a demo. I am going to copy an image in my pen drive and then delete it. Now I am opening software called This Genius, and the link of this software is in description. Now select the drive from which the file has been deleted. Select File Recovery option. Now choose the type of file which has been deleted. In my case, the type of file is an image which has been deleted. Now click on Start button. It will take time, kindly be patient. As you see that my file has been recovered, so I am stopping the process. Now copy the recovered file to the required destination. Now you can see that my file has been recovered successfully. You can also format hard drive with this software. For demo purpose, I am formatting my pen drive. Similarly, you can format your hard drive. You can create partition of your pen drive or hard drive with this software. Please like and subscribe my channel.